Hello and welcome back to yet another Lithuanian lesson. Today we'll be talking about Lithuanian diphthongs. In simple terms, a diphthong is when two vowel sounds come together and blend into one sound within a single syllable. It's like mixing two colors to create a new shade. There are 6 common Lithuanian diphthongs which include I, O, A, E, Ui, Ua. So let's take a closer look at each diphthong. Okay, so our first diphthong is I. This diphthong can be pronounced like the English word sky. You'll find this in Lithuanian words such as aidas, aitvaras, aistė, vaidas, laiškas, vaistai, vaistinė, savaitė, savaitgalis. I hope you could hear that the stress was on the first vowel A. If this diphthong is stressed, the stress can also fall on the second vowel sound I. So it will be pronounced as I. You'll find this in words like taip, gerai, labai gerai, pinigai, laikas, laikrodis, vaikas, vaikai. Our next diphthong is O. Some examples include prašau, atsiprašau, draugas, draugė, naujas, skauda. When the stress falls on the first vowel sound A, it's pronounced as au. Saulė, pasaulis, kaukė, laužas, palauk, čia tau. Now let's try a common sentence. Norėčiau paklausti. Norėčiau paklausti. And the next diphthong is A. This diphthong is pronounced like the English word hey. Here are some examples in Lithuanian. Einam, deimantas, sveikas, eilė, šeima, teisingai, į sveikatą. And when the stress falls on the first vowel sound A, you should clearly hear that the A sound is very prominent. I, meilė, veidas, veidrodis, beveik. Okay, so our fourth diphthong for today is ear. This diphthong is pronounced similarly to the English word ear. Personally, it does sound very much Lithuanian to me because it can be found in the word Lietuva. Other examples are diena, lietus, jie, vienas, pietūs, vakarienė, pienas, sviestas, miestas, viešbutis, žiema, sniegas. Okay, practice time. Can you read out loud these 2 sentences with all the diphthongs we've learned so far? Kaip jautiesi? Ačiū, labai gerai. Kaip jautiesi? Ačiū, labai gerai. Aš skaitau lietuviškai. Aš skaitau lietuviškai. And the 5th diphthong is wa. Now I know that for some it might be quite tricky to pronounce it. You need to start with the sound O, so notice your lips are shaped into a small rounded circle as if you were about to whistle. O, O, and then slowly glide onto the next sound. Wa, wa. You can find this diphthong in words such as uogos, uodas, šuo, vanduo, ruduo, gruodis, duona, meluoji, juodas, užuolaidos, puodas, obuolys. To master this diphthong, you can try these phrases. Kur eini? Einu į parduotuvę. Kur eini? Einu į parduotuvę. Kiek tai kainuoja? Kiek tai kainuoja? And the final diphthong is ui. Ui. This is the least common diphthong in Lithuanian, and I only have a few words for you. Muilas, smuikas, zuikis, puiku. So that's all for today on diphthongs. See you in the next video.